This is TheHelpscreen, and this is how to fix TracFone app not working. So this is an Apple and Android device tutorial, so follow along. So guys, today I'm gonna discuss three solutions in order for you to fix this issue. So for the first solution, just go to your Google Play Store and then search for TracFone. And then from here, guys, just make sure you are running the latest version of the app. And when the application have an update, you should be able to update it over here. And now guys, for the second solution, just go to the settings and tap on the apps. And once you find it guys, just tap on it. And then from here, just go to the storage and make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And then from there guys, you should be able to fix the issue. But if that doesn't work guys, all you have to do now is reinstalling the application on your device. So for the first thing that you need to do, just uninstall the app. And then once it is uninstalled on your device, you can just go ahead and go to your Google Play Store again and search for TracFone and install again the application on your device. And then from there, guys, you should have a working TracFone app on your device. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.